Record. Okay, now it's recording. Now you can go and take your little video.
You can't move it real fast, but you can make a video.
Here you go. You take it around and you take a video. Why don't you go show me all your favorite stuff?
My favorite stuff is that.
Well, you gotta show them. What is that? Yeah, where's Daddy?
Right here.
There's Daddy. Where's Sid?
Right here.
Oh, you gotta make sure he's in there. There you go. There's Sid.
Don't push the button.
There you go. Why don't you go show your picture?
Careful.
Go show your favorite toy.
Okay. This is my favorite toy in the boy.
Watch what you're doing with the camera, okay? Okay.
Look, I see Sid.
There's Sid. There's Mommy. Yeah. Real slow though, real slow. Why don't you go show your favorite toys?
You want to show us your favorite toys?
You can show actually this stuff.
He sure loves Flash.